Katana Beats Paper.
Greetings and salutations everybody, my name is Raphael, otherwise known as Katana Beats Paper, and this is a video. Yeah, so I know you just see my hands because this is like the 4th attempt of me making this review. Because the other 4 attempts were not the best because you couldn't really focus on what I was showing. So after watching a couple of videos from Wallcom7 and Captain Xavier, I figured this would be a nice approach to do just the workbench of what I'm reviewing. So here you go. I got this nice little gift from LighTake.com, and it is a little thing from Worker F10555, which is Worker's 3D printed section. So basically what this is, it's a little device that helps you cut normal darts like this into a half-length dart using this little dilly bit to hold the blade and running it across, cutting it. And it's super easy to set up. What you get is a set of hobby blades, the 2 3D printed pieces, the holder and the blade holder. And all you have to do is just take a blade, snap off a segment that would fit the length of here. I've moved all the way up to E on here. Oh, here you go, E. And then you take your blade piece and you put it in where the screws are. And let me just loosen this a little bit. So I run it straight across like this. Alright, and the blade just came out. Great, Raph, great! Alright, so this is with the blade installed, just like so. And all you have to do is put your darts into the holder, and then just run your blade straight across through the groove, like this. And there you go. So yeah, it was super easy. If you want one of these, I'll put it in the description below. Shout out to LighTake.com for sending these out to me. Definitely will be making a lot more half-length darts now that I actually have a use for these, which I'll probably make a video on eventually. But if you like the style of video and you want to see me do more reviews, let me know, because this is actually pretty cool. So yeah, so I don't know how to do my sign out, but I guess I'll just say it. Peace, love, and all the above. Bah! It doesn't work like that because it's just my hands.